In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zoho CRM how to set up email signatures. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional signature that's automatically added to your email sent from Zoho CRM. Start by signing in to your Zoho CRM account and landing on the home page. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open your setup area. This is where all of your CRM configuration lives, and it's the quickest way to adjust how email works inside the platform. In the Setup panel, find and select the Email section. This takes you to the Email configuration area, and specifically, you'll be working in the Email Compose settings. On this page, click Add New Signature. This opens the Signature Editor, where you'll build the block that appears at the end of your outgoing messages. Begin by typing your email signature. Keep it clear and concise. Think full name, role, company name, and core contact details you're comfortable sharing. If your organization uses brand guidelines, match the tone and visual style. Shorter is usually better. Your signature should be informative without competing with your message. If you include an image, such as a logo, make sure it's optimized so emails load quickly and look good on mobile. Next, choose which address this signature will be linked to by clicking. Select an email address. In Zoho CRM, each from address can have its own signature, which is helpful if you send from multiple mailboxes or aliases. Pick the address you use most frequently or the specific address this signature should apply to. Now, format the body of your signature using the toolbar in the editor. You can adjust font size for readability, apply bold to your name or title for emphasis, add hyperlinks to your website or scheduling page, and insert a small, high-quality logo if needed. Keep contrast strong for accessibility, and stick to one or two fonts for a clean look. If your account offers placeholders, consider inserting dynamic fields so details like your name or job title stay in sync automatically. Before you move on, take a moment to scan for typos, verify that links work, and ensure the layout still looks good if line wrapping occurs. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your new signature will appear in the list of available signatures and will be applied to emails sent from the address you selected. If you ever need to tweak the design or update details, return to the same Email Compose settings area to edit or replace it. That's it. Your Zoho CRM email signature is